In this video, we are going to see KMap. K stands for Karnaugh. So, we are seeing Karnaugh Map. So, Karnaugh Map purpose is it is used to simplify the Boolean expression. So, we have complex expressions, right? So, those expressions will be simplified here in the short form, like the shorthand form of the Boolean expression we will get while using the KMap. Now, we have seen the standard expressions, right? We can express the given thing in the either SOP form or POS form. Here also the KMap follows two things, like either you can express in SOP or POS. Okay, now in this video we are going to see especially on SOP. Now KMap for two variables. Okay, now come to the KMap for two variables. So two variables, let it be A and B. Okay, so what are the minterms? So we 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, right? The minterms are m0 m1 m2 m3. Means for two variables, like for two variables, the number of possibilities or minterms we are having like 2 power 2, which is like 4. It varies from 0 to 3. Okay, so hence we required 4-cell KMap. 4-cell KMap is this one. So we have variable A and B. So in the A we have only two chances, right? Either the A bar or A. Nothing but A bar is defined as 0, A is defined as 1. Same way B have two chances, either the 0 or 1, nothing but B bar or B. So you need to follow like this. So I am giving the simple thing, like it is a 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 is A bar, B bar. Okay, 1 is A bar, B. Then 2 is minterm 2 is A, B bar. Same way A, B. Nothing but we simplified these things into the diagrammatically. You need to by heart only this thing, like 0 1 2 3, draw the box, keep the AB like this, you keep the A bar and A, B bar B, write the 0 1 2 3. Okay, now let us simplify. So one thing, before going to solve the question, I want to clear you the grouping. Okay, here grouping means, so if you take 1 once, so whenever we got them like terms right, 0 and 2, right? We got 0 and 2. So you need to group like this. You need to group two terms, like either like this or like this, or you can group like this, or you can group in this form. Okay, this is the call grouping. Why means, let us see the question directly, you will get the clear idea. Simplify the Boolean function using two variable KMap. Two variable KMap means we need 4-cell KMap. K means Karnaugh Map. Okay, shortcut we can use KMap. So the function is a of, like function of A comma B. Now this is a thing, like it is a min term indication. 0 2 0 2, keep the 1 here and 2 here. We need to make the groups, right? If it is possible, try to make groups like this. Suppose this is the KMap. You are getting individually, somewhere you are getting here and here, means you need to take separately. Okay, if not, like if you are getting here only one here, then you need to take separately. If it is chance, like here it is a one forming, right? You need to take in the group, because the theme like group is like here A bar and A directly see this thing only in this box. A bar present and A present means directly we can ignore the A. Only B is presenting, like B bar is presenting. The final answer is B bar here. So the final answer is B bar, like this. Okay. When we see the further variables like KMap of 4 variables or 5 variables, you will get the clear idea. So now let us move to the 3 variables. Okay. Now this is the KMap for 3 variables. 3 variables means 2 power 3, which is like 8 cells we need. Okay. Means the minterms vary from M0 to M8. Oh, sorry, M7. Now see here directly trick is keep the A here, BC here, draw the E8 cell KMap like this only. A bar A, same thing, A bar A. You need to write in the manner like here one pattern is there. Okay, like 0, 1, 2, 3. And what the next things? 4, 5, 6, 7. You need to write in this format. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I will give you the trick. It is a BC, right? BC, 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 BC. Keep the double thing and keep the tick over here. Keep the tick over here. Sorry, BC, BC. This is a trick. Let us see the grouping. Grouping, its priority from 4. First 8, okay. If it is possible 8 will mostly not possible. 4, 2, last preference is 1, okay. Now how the grouping will perform? Same way, like 8 means entire box, 4 means you can take like this, or you can take in between like this. I hope you are getting the things. Or again we have one thing, we can take like this also. I hope you got the idea. 2 means simply like this or like this, it is a 2. 1 means wherever we left over with one single term, you can take directly like. Okay. Now let us move to the question. The question we have given the terms is 1, 3, 5, 7. Directly 1 4 grouping is forming. So here the ones is presenting in like the terms is presenting both the upper table and below table, means A bar and A we can directly ignore, like we can directly write B bar C plus B C. So in further simplification, see it is got verified. Again you can also simplify like B bar plus B, you can take the C as common, you will get the answer as C. Up to here it is enough. Okay, this is all about the KMap of 3 variables. Now let us move to the fourth KMap for 4 variables. Listen carefully, this is the most important topic. So if you learn this thing, you will get the entire idea on KMap. Now draw the box like this. 4 variable, right? 4 variable means here you will get 16 columns, like 2 power 4, 16. Directly you need to write 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. While following this order, you need to also follow this thing, like leave here 6, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The same thing you can see here. Now it is a 4 variable like A, B, C, D. I am explaining one thing, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. So bars directly you need to by heart, like this, and C, D. See how I am doing. You need to by practice also you get, but you need to by heart this thing, because it will makes the diagram easily in your exam. Okay, this is the terms that are given in the question. Let us apply the KMap for this. 0, 2, 5, 7 and 8, right? 8, 10, 13, where is 13? 13 and 15. Same way we have seen, right? Here you need to follow the rules, like if it is possible grouping 16 entire box, or 8 or 4 or 2, in the last case 1. Okay, these are the grouping process. So 16 here it not possible. Let us take this thing group, like you can also take the group like this, first grouping and second grouping. Now for this, here it is like a bar, b bar and a b bar, right? So what is the common thing? A bar and a, ignore it, we have left over with b bar. Same way in this, c and c bar ignore, d bar is common, right? Take this. Now among this, place here c bar and c ignore. First let us take like this, like here a bar and a, like a bar and a ignore, b common, and in this way, like in this, for this c bar and c ignore, directly write as d. Now see here, we got the answer. Now in the further simplification, this is equals to 1, because it is in the opposite case, right? Now we have 1 3 9 11, 1 3 9 11, right? 9 11, you can group like this also. Now while grouping this, here a bar a ignore, b bar is common, and in this way we have c bar and c ignore, directly write as d. See this is how we got, and we got b and d, right? Let us simplify this thing. Here d is common, right? B bar also common. Okay, here we missed out with the b bar, see, and take the a as common, like a bar and a. This is the 1, and we are left over with bd. See, this is the answer we get after simplification. So this is how we get the simplified answer using the KMap. So I hope you got the idea on 2 3 4 variables KMap. In the next video we are going to see the 5 variables KMap. I'll try to practice this thing and by heart the pattern. I hope you got the idea on this. If you learned anything in this video, please do a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this.